him.
Yo, Vick, I'm trying to hit me, you bitch!
Second man. Okay. 5-8 or 4-8? 5-8?
Yeah, look.
We did, but I'm off. Yeah, I got to.
I should have bet that 50. I would have won it.
We about to see who better right now, the Homeland niggas or the Island niggas?
I want to choose that on drink. What? Maybe a little thing.
Oh my Let's go! Second man. Let's go. If you get that right there.
Thank you.
Got hit?
Nice shot, Bravo.
Where you gonna put it?
You have Vick. That was the block. Let's go. Nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, my bad. Wow. 4-2. Wow. 4-2. Outside. 5-2.
Oh shit. Shit talking. Punk's part of Hoover's finest and shit. Homegrown. Homegrown Hoover.
Thank you, Vick. Damn it. Sandra. 6-2.
What's that, 7?
6-2. You're not cheating. Second net. All right, take it.
Woo, you lucky. Almost went over. You see the last game, we were hustling. We were just, whatever shot we get, we kill on that shit. We got a lot of lucky shots in there.
Alright, come on, let's go, man.
Woo, you about to get punked.
3-6.
How's that?
Fucking shit!
Let's go. You're done now.
Impressive!
There we go. Steamball, baby. Ready?
Now, Panky, move! You gotta get the same treatment!
Nice. That's outside. It was close, but it was out.
Hey, the ball on, bro. I was gonna. I had it in my mind.
Let's see if you can do it.
I had it in my mind, but.
In and out though. That was now. No, don't do that. That's what I hit. Why did you do though? I give it to you that one.
He said the line. Forward.
Forward.
Come on. Go ahead. Take the punch.
Throw without on the line. Ready to get out? Unless you're packed. Oh, bitch!
Come on, man. You don't.
Worry, guys. Worry. Worry.
Okay. I got next after y'all.
We're gonna make it quick.
Wait, Jay, you next? And then I'm next after that.
You gotta switch.
Huh? I got next after that. Good to see you. Chilling, everything's good? What's the score here, guys?
What is this? India versus West Indies?
Yeah, India versus West Indies.
That's what it is right here. Fucking New Delhi versus Georgetown. They really be like that too.
Ooh, fuck. What's the score here?
8-16.
8-16. Oh shit. You got 16, Punk?
16 serving 8.
Oh, 16, 7, 8. Gotcha.
Almost done with this Ramadan stuff, man. I'm Vick. Got another maybe 12 days.
12 days of fasting?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Have you dropped some weight?
Yeah, I've dropped weight, but it's
8-16, guys.
it's inconsequential.
Yeah, I got you.
I find that I'm less active a little bit. So I'm tired, I'm hungry. You don't get sleep during the daytime.
Can't.
It's like tough to get sleep, you know?
Yeah. A lot of my friends tell me that. When is it over?
End of March. Actually, it's going to be next Friday, I think is the last day, I think.
Oh, nice.
Then, man, I'm looking forward to the summer. I got to tell you, bro.
I feel you, bro.
Yo, honestly, I just been grinding. All winter I've been grinding, bro. I got to tell you.
But it's good, babe. It's a good.
It is. I mean, but I find that I still get more work done in the summertime just because I'm more active, you know? The physical activity makes a huge difference
Yes.
in productivity.
It was under. It's close. It was close. Don't feel sorry for these kids.
Run around. You want to run around?
Who's fasting besides you here?
Muslim kids. I think Bassett.
Oh, Bassett. Bassett. Who else?
Farhan maybe is fasting.
Oh, Farhan. Yeah.
But I feel like he gets slack. He probably just, you don't necessarily have to every day.
Oh no? It's electional.
You do 30 days. You hold 30 days. So it's like if you're sick or whatever, you can miss the day and you make it up before the next Ramadan.
Yo, can you close? Close this shit out.
Oof.
Oh shit, this kid's
19.
crispy left.
Ball on.
But you said Friday, next Friday, right?
Next Friday after that. After that, I'm looking forward to, you know what I'm thinking?
Steaks?
I'm looking forward to summertime, baby. I gotta tell you. Wild out season. I mean,
Oh shit. Nice left. Drop shot shit.
great shot.
Nice day today.
Hell yeah. It's a blessing.
Great game, guys.
All right, ready?